Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. 2026 promises more and more early releases for the future budget king mobile phones. Samsung is breaking tradition. Samsung Galaxy A07 5G, Galaxy A37, and Galaxy A57 launch timeline is tipped online. According to the latest available data, Samsung Galaxy A37 and A57 are credited with an unexpectedly early launch. The source has revealed smartphone features and launching details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. For several years, Samsung has been leading us to expect the launch of new mid-range Galaxy A series models in March. In 2026, it may break with tradition by pushing back the release of the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57. At least that's what tipster Abhishek Yadav is convinced of, stating, with an exclusive note, that the Korean company plans to unveil both models in February. Samsung will introduce new Galaxy A series smartphones before the Galaxy S series. Samsung may speed up the release of Galaxy A series smartphones due to the S26 delay. Notably, the Galaxy A07 4G was unveiled in September this year, while the Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56 were introduced globally in March. Now, according to the tech tipster Abhishek Yadav on X revealed that, the tipster suggests that, the Galaxy A07 5G will debut later this month or early January. Both models are expected to ship with Android 16 out of the box. And the Galaxy A37 will feature an Exynos 1480 chipset with Xclipse 530 graphics. This upgrade could significantly boost the performance of Samsung's budget and mid-range devices. While the Galaxy A57 will receive the latest Exynos 1680. The source also pointed to an earlier release of the entry-level Galaxy A07 5G, which will complement the Galaxy A07 4G announced in August. The new Budget King sub-flagship Galaxy A57 has received 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The display size may remain the same as last year, at 6.7 inches. The smartphone is also expected to feature a 50-megapixel main camera and a 5000 mAh battery, with support for 45 watts fast charging. Both Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 will run Android 16, based One UI 8.5 out of the box. The phones were recently also spotted on Geekbench with the said chipsets. The prices of the budget phones are still unknown. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.